Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here in the Raw Branch here, about to see how Julie eats a pizza. As you carefully zoom in, you see how she took some of the cheese off. Oh, don't worry. Remember that piece. You will see it in the future.
This is why I didn't want to eat with you.
Why? Oh. Here we go. For those of you who are already stunned, yes, I'm stunned too. Next week it's ice cream with sprinkles.
You want this?
As in, you want to eat it?
No.
Yeah, I want it. Yes, well, she did throw my pizza on the floor. Shall I eat it? Yes. Boy, that tasted good. Back to what I was doing. Oh. Step on my shoes. Alright. That's a nice finger. Or do a wave motion. Crispy. You're a talented chewer. You get all the articles in one bite. Oh! Oh! While you are watching live, do you see where her foot is? If you're not sure, if you're not sure where her foot is, let me make it easier for you. You see that? Yeah, you see where her foot is? Yeah. Oh dear! Lord help me! As she's burning the toe, trust me, those are like 10 and a half. Oh, good.
I'm putting the camera right now. The camera right
Wait, I just gotta see the extra cheese, please, please, please. No, this is not footsie neither. There we go. That's what I've been waiting for. Look at this, people. You are watching live. She took the extra cheese, put it on the crust, and folded it. What a delicious snack. My testicles are set free. This is one of the most unorthodox eating of pizza I've seen. Not to mention when she touched the heater in the pizzeria thinking it was going to be cold. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, it's a little tangy there. It's ringing there, huh? Look like beef jerky, huh? A little hard, huh? Julia, you're my best friend. I'm still your best friend. Are we still best friends? All done. That was Julie there. We gotta say it for the camera. And for the people of the world. Oh. Wow, that's a one hell of a finger. Oh, double shots. Hey, what you? I was drinking. No, not. I was drinking that. Watch this.